So I have a electric wheel. I actually got a whole electric kit from a guy from Inwood whose name is Justin. Shout out to Justin. So I got a whole electric kit. I have the wheel, battery, controller, throttle. And so now I have to figure out if I can actually get it to work just on this, meaning on this square tube and maybe another square tube. I watched a video by Vuaco, Vuaeco. That's my other guy on YouTube I subscribe to. He made a torque arm, and so I'm going to try to do the same thing. Although his wheel or hub motor, I believe, is 2,000 watts. This is only 750 watts. So I don't think I have to do in excess of what he did. I'm going to use this metal plate, which was a part of the trike. And so notice it's already holding on. If you want to see what he did, check out his video. I'm going to post it below. And let's get to work. All right, so if you notice, the axle is too short. I tried to put a nut on. Just keeps spinning. I even tried a different nut. See if that worked. It just keeps on spinning. This nut doesn't work with a regular steel rod. So I said, oh, maybe it belongs to a e-bike that I had from before. So let me try that. So I slide that on. Right? And that doesn't turn either. Since I got you here with me, let's try this side. Right? It's stuck. Doesn't move after that. The one that actually belongs to the e-wheel is this one. It goes on, no problem. All I needed to do, it being the axle, is hold a nut, and I could test it. So this piece was too thick, so I had to revert to the L bracket, as you can see there. Or if you want to see a better one, it looks like this. L bracket. So that allows me to see this axle on that side being this side, so I can finally put the nut on. All right, so I find a solution to something, another problem arises, then I gotta solve that one. So in that regard, the L bracket is now on, but then I had a problem putting the nut on to the rod because the L bracket was blocking it. So I had to make a little cut so that the nut can be screwed onto the rod. And now it's screwed on. Watch the wheel turn. Oh, let me do it with the handlebar instead. Excellent.